Quick video here to show you how to empty and clean all the filters on your Shark Stratos. To remove the main part of the vacuum, you're going to simply use this button here that separates the main motor from the lower unit. And then to open the cartridge and empty the dust, you're going to open this up, clean this out. You could use some warm water or a wet cloth to clean out all the dust material. And then to separate the canister from the motor, you're going to use this button here that drops this out. It exposes these two foam filters, and you'll want to wash these in warm water and then clean out this cartridge. And then there's also an additional filter in here. Use warm water, clean this out. And if these filters are heavily contaminated or more than 2 years old, I recommend replacing them. A link to the filters is below. And then everything goes back in reverse order like this. Make sure that your foam filter is in like that. And then this filter here. And then everything gets assembled in reverse order. Like that. And then this gets reinstalled like that.